Very warm welcome to all. Myself, Sahil Bishwas from KG Somaiya College of Science and Commerce, participating in Ratna Saraswati Current Duck 2021. The topic selected by me is Environment Education, the need of the hour. Alright, I'll begin my address with a simple question. In recent times, why have been there a sudden surge in demand of environmental education amongst students? Whether it be kindergarten or university, environment education is incorporated into every curriculum. It is pretty evident from the fact that Maharashtra government made environment education a compulsory subject for the students of class 11th and 12th. Though it is not a traditional pen and paper based subject, it is a research subject where students are expected to carry out a research project on an environment specific topic and write a thesis at the end of the year on the basis of their observations. So, coming back to my question, why this need? I think there are two aspects relating to this. One is the global perspective, and the another is the professional opportunities which attract students to learn about environment and to study about it. So, speaking of which, I'll first speak about the global perspective. Since the World War II, human population have been ever increasing. World population has risen by 10 folds in the past century and is expected to rise by another 10 folds in the next 4 decades. So, what does this lead to? This leads to the depletion of various natural resources like water and land. The problems of water have always been addressed. Let me tell about the scarcity of land. Various high densely populated countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Japan and Mexico are facing a problem of land shortage. Human population keeps on increasing, but that doesn't mean that land area will increase, due to which forest cover is being wiped out, agricultural land is reduced and cut down just to accommodate human beings. Various industries and factories are being set up, which leads to air pollution and ultimately lead to global warming. And you all know what are the results of global warming. We have seen Australian forest fires in 2019, one of the worst forest fires in the history of humankind. Thousands of species went vulnerable, endangered and extinct. To protect our environment, to understand sustainable development, to understand how environment and human development can go hand in hand, environmental education is necessary. Let's speak about the professional aspect of it. Due to the increasing demand of environment science, various new courses are made available for undergraduate and postgraduate students. One such course is environmental engineering, where students learn various mechanisms related to environment and how it can be made better for the humankind in future. To study these, students have to go through various processes of environments to study them on an extensive level. Environmentalists on a global scale are paid hefty checks for their research, which attracts students to pursue environment as their career. Due to various such reasons, environmental education and awareness about sustainable development and biodiversity conservation is very important in today's times. We should not forget the lines that we have not got an environment as an inheritance from our ancestors, but we have got them as a lease from our future generations. Keep this in mind. Keep your environment safe and close to your heart. Thank you so much. Signing off.